To download Arduino IDE, just open Chrome browser and type Arduino IDE download. And then press enter. You have the result, and just scroll down and just click on download and install Arduino IDE. So once you have this open, once you open the hyperlink, it will ask you like you have Windows, Mac OS or Linux. So I have Windows, so I will go to that section, and again there is a hyperlink. Click on that. Once I clicked on the download the latest release, on top right you see the download is in progress. So give some time, like it should not take more than few seconds. So once it downloads, you can go to download section or download folder on your PC or laptop, and from there you can double click. I'll show you that. Or you can simply click on here. Yes, click on this folder and it will start installing the application, the IDE. Yeah, so either you can double click here or go back to where it populated. Yeah, next then install. Like I installed to my C drive, so I clicked on this. Depending on the speed of your machine, it will take time. So in this video, for me, it did not take more than 4 minutes. On your machine, if it takes time, pause the video and let it install completely. If it asks for permission, then we can give permission. Like sometimes it asks permission to make changes to our device. Okay, so it is done, the installation is done. I will click on finish and it will launch now. So being the first timer, it will take some time to launch the IDE. So again, give more like a few more seconds and let it launch properly. So I think it should come now. Yeah, it's coming up. Fine. So download is done and now it has opened the IDE. Now it's done, so we are good for testing.